Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. As if today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to control your PC with Copilot. So in today's age, let's say that we are now in a new era of technology that we actually need no more to control our PC. Literally AI is not only prompting now, only text generating or image creation. Now AI stands up to a level when he can control your PC. Literally can overdo some very technical hard work by himself, thus by you giving him the accesses to your PC. So how does it work? On Windows, Copilot becomes your AI assistant for PC. It's built into the operating system, so you can launch it instantly from the Windows taskbar or the dedicated Copilot key on supported keyboards. Once opened, Copilot works across your apps, files, settings, and even the content on your screen, and it helps you to do these things. It solves problems faster. You can ask for help adjusting settings, troubleshooting issues, or finding the right app profile. Also, it reduces app switching. Instead of bouncing between programs, let Copilot summarize documents, draft content, or put information together while everything stays in one place. And also, it boosts your creativity and productivity. Whether you are writing an email, summarizing a PDF, generating ideas, or planning a project, Copilot stays by your side on Windows to help you move forward with clarity. With Copilot, your PC becomes more intuitive, supporting you as the multitask organizes and creates. So now Copilot is no longer just prompting, it's now your agent that helps you and assists you for PC. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in this upcoming video.